Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the internet cafe management system using Java. Let us show the demo first. When you sit on the machine, it automatically calculates your current time as a minutes. Right here, minutes are seconds are going, minutes and hours. Right? How many time you are spent on this machine? Right? It's automatically calculated. If the minute is greater than 50 minutes, if the minute is greater than 50 minutes, your amount is calculated as 50, right? Each and every 50 minutes your amount will be calculated, right? I will show you how to calculate this one. Here you can see here 50 amount should be credited here. More than 15 minutes, right? If you access more than 15 minutes, here the price should be displayed as a 50, right? Each and every 15 minutes increment as a 50 rupees, right? This is how the internet payments system will be worked, right? Let me see how to do the system step by step. I will show the code. Now here this is the code I have tried. Go to the source. You can check. This is the code. This is our class, right? This is our constructor. When the constructor, this is the constructor of the class. I have called this to timer start, right? When you click start, the timer will be start. Okay. Now here this is the timer start. Here this one should be the time, right? Current time will be calculated here inside this timer, right? Here I have created the thread object T. Inside the thread I am going to create the run method, right? Run method. Inside here I am going to create as a while true. Here I am going to create here this code, simple code, date format. This is the format for date. What is the date format have to display? This is the date format which is display on this text box, right? So after that, this is the calendar. These are the calendar. Then after that, this date format I am going to call into this text box, right? Txt time mean this text box name txt time, right? Okay, this date format I am going to set it as a txt time text box, right? After that, each thread I am going to sleep one, right? One, okay, 1 second, okay, here sleep, right? I have put it as a 1, right? It's calculated like this, right? After that I am going to call the t start mean this thread I am going to start here. When the form is loaded, that gets started here, right? I am going to start, right? This start method I am calling to the constructor. When the form is when the form is run, the constructor will be executed first, right? So this time will be running, right? Because the constructor get executed when the form is loaded, right? I call inside the constructor, right? When the form is initialized, constructor initialized, right? Okay, the form is initialized, constructor initialized, right? That's how this program worked, right? After that, I'm going to go to do this task, right? This I am going to create 3 labels, txt hour, txt minutes, and as well as txt second. I have created three different labels. Now here what I am going to do, you see here first what I am going to declare 3 integer variables, second, minutes, and hours, right? Second, hours, right? I have created 3 integer variables. Okay, I declaring is 0, right? Initial value I am going to set it as a 0. After that I am going to create another integer variable value, right? This value, right? This is the calculated value, right? Okay, this is a calculated value. After that I am going to set it as a timer t object. I am going to set it as a 1000 equal action listener. This out listener. Here what I am going to do is, we don't have to write this code. It's automatically, if you write this one, it automatically generate this override methods, right? Action perform override method, it is automatically it's generated, right? It's override the action perform method, right? Inside here you have to write the code like this. This is a second, 60 second. Here we have to write. Now here I have to give the if minutes 15 minutes module. I have used the modular operator equal 0. You have to increment by 50. If you want to going to more than 50 minutes, you have to increase 100 rupees, it will be able to do the likes. Here you have to change the code, everything here, right? Very simple. You have to everything here, right? You must try this code. Okay, that's why I show you very simple code you have to write here. Very simple code, right? We have to show here, right? After that, what I'm going to do is here, we have to call this one as well, right? When the form is loaded, we have to call it here. T dot start mean this T object. This T timer we have to start. We have to call the when the form is initialized. We have to call it the at the here, right? T dot start mean it's initialized, right? Here, when you sit on the machine, it's automatically calculated. And if you want to click end, here it's ended. That's it. You have spent only 3 minutes, right? Okay, this simple one we have to done. Stop mean here end code, right click, event action from you can check here. T dot stop mean is stop, right? T dot start mean you have to type timer, you have to start at here. T dot start. We have to call the object start. After if you call the object stop, you have to call the stop, right? This is thread starts thread. This is timer starts timer stop, right? This is object I have. We have created the object T, right? This is the name I have given here, right? Very simple program. I taught step by step how it's work. You must try this one. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. Please, you have to do yourself, right? This one, right? Then only you will be able to learn something else, right? You have to be able to learn something else, right? All the code I shown you how to work with the step by step. You must try this one, right? Here, first you have to start with here timer. You have to create the function. You have to write the code itself. After that, you have to create this these 3 integer variables. After that, you have to create this variable. After that, you have to write this function, right? After that, you have to call this. This is all the code I have shown you. That's the only codes we have, right? We have to call this timer start and this object. And after that, we have to this end part. You have to call it here, right? This is the label, amount label. I have put it as txt this amount, em, right? Amount should be displayed here, right? Txt here, this amount, txt amount, right? That's very simple, right? This is the calculated amount. This variable I will get it here, set it as amount 50, passing to this variable, right? Very simple. You have to try this one step by step. This program I made for one of my students who asked me to do the Internet Cafe program in Java. I have already done this program in VB.NET. Those who are not watch my VB.NET program, please watch it, VB.NET. The same thing I have done in Java. Thank you for watching.